On the job site, you need a machine you can truly trust. At Rippa, quality is not a slogan, but a high standard without compromise in every link, from material selection to manufacturing and inspection. It all starts with raw strength. Every structural part of Rippa machinery is made of high-strength materials and is designed for durability in high-pressure environments. During the manufacturing process, Rippa is highly automated, with processes such as CNC cutting and laser grinding completed by automatic equipment, and welding performed by Kawasaki robots. The welds are uniform and the strength is stable, which significantly improves the consistency and reliability of the whole machine. Assembly is the final fusion link of all components. It is also a key step in determining the performance and quality of the whole machine. At Rippa, every assembly process strictly follows the standardized process. Ensure that each system is accurately connected and efficiently coordinated. After each process is completed, it must be double-checked by station self-inspection and quality inspection and audited layer by layer, just to deliver truly reliable and high-quality equipment. Performance comes from this not only power, but also the ultimate pursuit of precision and control. Quality inspection is the last thing. Rippa is responsible for every piece of equipment. From small screws to the whole machine system, every detail must be strictly reviewed to ensure that it is correct before leaving the factory. Each component will be checked one by one by the quality inspectors. The screws are manually rechecked, and even a millimeter of looseness is not allowed. The engine, as the heart of the whole machine, is the focus of quality inspection. Every indicator must meet the factory standard. Each device is equipped with an independent quality inspection form to record all inspection steps and results to ensure traceability and reviewability. In addition to static testing, we also conduct dynamic testing. The equipment must pass simulated field working condition tests, including multiple operating scenarios such as starting, walking, digging, and steering, and verify the response and performance of the whole machine throughout the process to ensure that users can use it right away and operate without trouble at any site. In addition, the quality inspection and R&D departments will hold quality meetings regularly to continuously optimize the design and improve product quality. At Rippa, quality is not a set of processes, but a commitment to users. We insist on high standards throughout every detail, just to ensure that every delivered equipment has stable performance and lasting reliability. This is not only a requirement for the product, but also our attitude of responsibility to customers. Choose Rippa. Choose a trustworthy force. We are consistent just to move forward with you.